Hi guys, I'm Howard from Howard's Tech Blog and Cyber Times LLC. Today I want to talk about websites and secure certificates. And it's pretty important. If you've ever gone to websites and seen a notice on the top of the page saying insecure or a warning, or your browser says this is an unsafe website or something like that, don't enter any financial information or your credit cards or your email address or personal information. This is something new. In 2017, Google decided for internet security, and we all want to be secure on the internet, is to require all websites from now on to have an SSL certificate. And an SSL certificate is something you get from your host, who hosts the company that hosts your sites, and they put it on the website, and everything is secure. So when you see HTTPS in the top of the page and a little lock, that is that means your website and the web page is secure. And prior to 2017 or 2018 or even now, it wasn't required. Secure certificate was only required if you had a shopping cart or you were selling something and people had to enter personal information or credit cards. And then you would get the secure certificate for your site, and then it would be active and it would be safe. If they went to your shopping cart or your form or whatever, it would show it would say HTTPS and show a little lock, a padlock. That means it's secure and it's safe to enter your information. Now Google wants every page and every website to have that secure certificate. Right now, as of 2019, if you're designing a website or you have an existing website, you should be adding an SSL certificate to your page, just so that you won't lose subscribers or whatever. And many of the pages I go to now are not secure, including some of the pages that I have. My pages are now secure. I went to my host and asked about it, and they said my host doesn't charge for a secure certificate for that reason. You should do it. There are other hosting companies that do charge. GoDaddy.com is a registrar, and they offer hosting. They charge $75 a year for a secure certificate. That $75 is for a single website. If you have multiple websites, you'll have to pay more. I think GoDaddy charges $200 for multiple sites. Some of the SSL certificates you can get for $15 a year, some $50, some $128. It varies depending on the company. Hosting Matters is a company that hosts some of my websites. For the purpose of securing the page and all the pages, it's free. So this is important. If you have an existing website or you're starting a new website, you must, for security and for Google's requirements, you must have your SSL certificate active. It's good, may add a little bit of expense to your account, but it's okay. It's because you won't have that sign up on the top of the page that says insecure, warning, could be malicious software on the page, and that's kind of scary. So if you notice, when you go to most websites, you can look up at the top left-hand corner and you'll see the URL, and you'll likely see HTTPS. If you don't, then that site is not secure, although it might not be unsafe. What the HTTPS certificate does is encrypt the data when it's going to and from your computer to whatever website it's going through. It encrypts your data. It does make it safer, and it's a good idea. So if you like this Howard's Tech Blog, I have drone videos and some videos on doing graphics and programming and apps that are useful, and 3D graphics using your drone, and YouTube Creators Forum, where I talk about how to improve your channel and how to get subscribers and what's important, like putting up thumbnails. So please subscribe. The subscribe button is right over there in the corner. Thanks.